Welcome to our YouTube video on how to delete a single message in Gmail. In this full guide, we'll show you the steps to efficiently remove unwanted messages from your Gmail app. Let's get started. Step 1. On your Android phone or tablet, open the Gmail app. Locate the Gmail app on your device and open it. Step 2. Open the message. Within the Gmail app, find the message you want to delete. To open it, you can tap on the letter or photo next to the message. This will open the message for viewing. Step 3. Tap Delete. Once you have the message open, look for the Delete option. It is usually represented by a trash bin icon or a delete button. Tap on it to delete the message from your inbox. Here's a tip. You can customize your Gmail settings to make this action even quicker by swiping left or right on messages in your messages list. By following these simple steps, you can easily delete a single message in Gmail, keeping your inbox organized and clutter-free. Say goodbye to unwanted emails with our helpful guide. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.